Hi, this is your code. So actually you are asking this way of format. So entity recognize NLP. So your private database. So I use this way of format. So whatever it may be, if you want, you can take anything. You can get this type of thing. Okay. So I will explain. I will do one by one slowly. So I think it is good project. So NLP recognition is speech recognition. It is a wonderful project. So I will explain one by one slowly. See here. So before you have to upload your database in Python or Python is a support NLP, so that's why I'm using NLP Python. So natural language processing. So if you, I think you know a little bit of information. I think so. You have to upload your database. Where is your database? Already I uploaded databases. So go through. After that, if you want any can. Once if you upload your database, you can start the work. Okay. So already I upload your database output quoted right. See here. So first we have to import the package some little bit information. Why means it is important. So without package libraries, third party libraries, we can't get the data, right? So after that we have to install the TensorFlow. Why TensorFlow is nothing but we use the data of kernel process. So that's why I'm using this one. So upload your database. So once if you get the upload, once if you upload your database, you can get the output like this way of format. So your rows and columns is 11. This is the columns, right? This is the column. 11 columns is available. After that, 392 rows. Your data is 392 rows. Okay. After that, you have to check the null values. It is null values available or not. You have to check it. If there is no null value means zero. If there is data in zero, you can get some information like zero. Okay, there is no zero null values. So that way. So after get you have to get the head part, data shape model, recognize names, column names, data shape. So one by one, already it is working. So you get this format. Why I'm showing this format? Without get this format, you can't get the way of format. Like suppose if I want black color data, suppose I want to any finder data. So there is thing. That's why I'm showing. So I think you understand, right? So okay, this is your color analysis colors. Okay, I will show it. It's not a completed, so just wait. I will show it to you. So why I am using two? Actually, I am using two Jupyters. One is Jupyter, another one is Google Collaboratory. My system requirement is does not support the one thing. That's why I am facing one error. So not a problem. Both are same. Okay, this is the first thing. First we have to upload your database. After that you have to check how many rows and columns, how is which is the column, which is the rows, so which is the database we want, description, size, color, relationship, whatever it may be. Okay, we have to take it. After that go to the another part. Like this you are asking way of format, so I will show it. Don't worry, already my system just now imported some package today. So these are specific. We have to import conversion process. Suppose if I give any information, it will be shown taken. Okay. So if you want any education process, just check it here, and in front of you run it this process. Okay. This time taken process. Why means there is no data properly available. So that's why we need to require data process. Okay. Check it one by one. All are education. If there is any error, you will get the error output here. Okay, don't worry, there is no error, so that's why you can't get the any error information. So this is the NLP process. Okay, just see here. Okay, suppose if I give any information like I want my e-commerce website, so it is find out which is the e-commerce website. Welcome to the my e-commerce orange site. So it's showing, so which is what is highlight, it will indicate it. That is the main advantage of NLP. So I give the some information, check out the latest news from the India around world. So that is this thing. So it is decided which is a big word, which is the highest word, so it is decided NLP. So after that we have to do another thing. So if we want to change any color name, so we can change it. That is a linear gradient. I change it as a client requirement. So I put it two ways. One is that one is this one data we have to upload database. After that we have to check this one. Okay, now here started our requirement. So just import some packages. After that you have to write down any information, give any proper information here. This is running here. Just wait, it is mean one thing. Why mean there is no error? Actually you have to import everything, run it, you will get it. Okay, so suppose if I give this format, you will get this format output. Okay, don't worry, you have to see it. Why means here is there is no data, so that's why it's slowly execution process. So I'm not getting the internet connection, so that's why it is main drawback. So already my data plan is expired, so that is the main thing. Okay, so not a problem. Check here. Okay, everything is working. So if you don't do anything, our requirement is working fine, everything. So just now see here, our requirement satisfaction is running. Okay, we'll get it. Suppose if I give I need black shot, it will execution. Okay, suppose if you want any screenshot, you can take it screenshot. Okay, right? So this is the way of formation. The link will be changes after every 72 hours. The link will be changes. Why means this is a different process, NLP. So NLP is not a permanent. After 1 year or 1 month, after 1 week, you can check it. Your data will be changes 100%. I am sure to you, but your database is wrong. Yes, I check. See here, some of the draw none, all are none. You put it information none. So your database absolutely something is wrong. So that's why I could not use orally. Suppose if you want any your database, you can connection here. You will get this output, this format. Okay. So I hope this is good project about your project. So if you want any doors, please go and check it in Google Stack Overflow. That is the best idea. So thank you.